Day 11, they already finished the post and what do you call this? They already removed the farm wood for that and finished the roll up. They're just gonna paint the walls and then this one and then this one. And soon this stairs na. And soon the tiles. Let's go inside. Oh, they're blocking now the... Oh, goodbye. This is for the exhaust for the restroom. Hindi ko na naabutan, hinara na nila, pero sa loob niyan halos na skim coat na lahat at meron na ring first coating paint, and then they put some of this kind of chemical para hindi mag-rusty yung roll up. And day 11 we already ordered the tiles for the 2 commercial space and the toilet bowl with the lavatory and opo, sir, thank you po. And then they already blocked this one and then there put the frame of the door and then block this wall also for the small commercial space. There, that's the tiles for the flooring, the tiles for the restroom, and that one also behind there. And then the tile adhesive, that's one of the yung mga materials for today's video. And then right here, there, so they made a Bistayan right here. This is where they strain the sand and then make it more smoothie something. Smoothie drinks. Smoothie! Ay, punyet. Ano ga? My God! Nagugulat ka rin dyan, no? Hindi ka nagugulat? Ah, okay. And then they finished this wall. Remember, before that's a gate. And then once the Meralco company is here, Jericho will gonna fix this. Everything. We were gonna take out of that and sell the tanso. Ayan. Kuya is the painter, and then one is the helper, and then that's Jeric. The other one is still working at the small commercial space. And this is our beloved. Ta-na-na-nan! Okay. Uy, ayun pa, Ju! Mga ngalakal po talaga siya for today's video. Ayan. And today, we already, the engineer checked the electric post, if it's okay. And then they capture a picture for the old electric meter that's have ground and not good. Oh my gosh. Inhale, exhale. Okay. That's all for day 11. End of the day. Thank you for watching.